Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on my JBL headset. Guys, I absolutely love this headset. They're honestly the best headsets that I have owned. The most important thing about the headset that I really love, guys, is that they are super comfortable. I can be gaming for hours and I can have them on my head the entire time. Look at the cushion. The cushion is literally the softest that I have ever felt. Whenever you put them on, they go around the entire ear, which is something that I love. Now here we have the little mic. Obviously it moves up and down, so I really like that. The sound quality is amazing, guys. Honestly, a lot of people complain that they can still hear background noise, but honestly, when you have your headset on and you have like the sound all the way up, you can't really hear anything. And if you can, it's perfect, guys, because you don't want to obviously like block out everything to the point where you can't hear if something happens. But honestly, for me, it does. You just put up the volume and it works perfectly. Which brings me to another point that I really like about this headset is that over here in the back, as you can see, you can control the sound. So you can literally lower the sound or up the sound with your own headset, which I really love, guys. And also the ear muffins here, you can just move them to the side. So they're actually like, you can rotate them like this. So I really like that. And you can adjust the headset as well. So you can make it more tighter or more loose. And also the plug here, it's a braided cord. I'm kind of used to having like the plastic cords, but I really like that it's braided. As you can see, braided cords tend to last longer, which is something that I like. And this is the little plug here. But I really like it, guys. I would definitely recommend it. Honestly, the best headset that I have owned to date, especially because they are super soft, which is the number one thing for me, is that they have to be super soft. And these ear muffins here, the cushion, absolutely amazing. But overall, guys, they are a great headset and I would definitely recommend them.